Hey guys, Dr. Luke Stringer and Jaslyn here from Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop of Chicago. We're back talking about headaches and how you can address your headaches when you're not under care from a healthcare professional such as ourselves, such as a chiropractor. So essentially what causes your headaches, we've discussed this on a bunch of videos, but we're going to go over it again for you. So when you evaluate posture, give me good posture, Jaslyn. You're going to see your ear and top of your shoulder, and your shoulder blades are going to sit nice and flush here. So when you evaluate that clinically through an evaluation of your posture, biomechanical assessment and x-ray, you're going to see your top bone, C1 being top of the bottom bone, shoulders, C7, you've got a nice even curve. We have that good posture displace the weight of your body even onto the joint and the tissue. When there's no stress here, we function, we don't have any symptoms. But traumas, car accidents, or what we tend to see, repetitive stress, is sitting for a living. It's the new smoking. We shift into poor posture. Head shifts forwards, shoulders round. So what happens is all of a sudden you're creating massive amounts of stress and tension onto all the joint, the tissue, the nerve. And these nerves up here, C1, C2, go back into your brain. They innervate eyes, ears, nose, throat. You're going to get headaches. You even get migraines, you can get sinus trouble and allergies. So essentially go back into good posture for me, Jaslyn. When you evaluate soft tissue, muscle linked to tendons, you have a little muscle group that anchors your occiput, the base of your skull, into the top two vertebrae called your sub underneath the occipitals. And when you evaluate it under biopsy, it should just look really structured and uniform. They kind of have a little bit of resting length on it. But when you go into poor posture, your head shifts and your shoulders round, well, the tissue gets lengthened. And over time that tissue breaks down, it becomes weak and inflexible. When you're weak and inflexible in your upper cervical area, those joints are going to put stress on those nerve roots, you're going to get headaches. So this is an exercise you can start doing immediately to start breaking down that scar tissue within those suboccipital muscles. So essentially all we're going to do, we're going to look straight ahead, we're going to bring your chin to your chest, you're going to look to your left. So you can do that for me, Jaslyn. Chin down, look to your left, and then you're going to rotate this way for me. Yeah, and all you're going to do, we're going to get a myofascial stick. You pick these up on Amazon for about 10 bucks. Dick's Sporting Goods, most gyms have them. And all we're going to do, we're going to work from the base of the skull into the upper part of the neck, and you're just going to roll it out. So Jaslyn's going to show us how to do it. No right or wrong way to do it per se. You just want to make sure that you find all those the knots that you feel at the base of your skull that feel really sore and puffy, and you just spend anywhere from a minute to 5 minutes rolling those out. By doing that, you can help break down the scar tissue and you can improve the tone and the health of the tissue. If you watched our other videos, you're going to do the stretch and you're going to do all the postural exercises to start stabilizing that area. You're all set. So if you're suffering from headaches, you get a headache at the back of your skull, it refers behind your eye, you're consistently rubbing and massaging this area, this is a great way you can start doing that and some. So click the link or the button at the bottom of the video, fill out the contact form. If you're suffering from headaches, you want to get them corrected without drugs and surgery, we look forward to seeing you in the office. See you in the next video.